In a significant move to strengthen India's national power transmission and communication infrastructure, the state-run Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, Power Grid, has announced an investment approval of 3 major projects totaling 584.13 crore rupees. Shri B.P. Singh, Chairman and Managing Director of National Aluminium Company Limited, NALCO, visited the company's S&P Smelter and Power complex in Angul, Odisha, to inspect critical areas of the smelter, including the potline and the carbon area. On the third day of his visit to Sohagpur area, Shri N. Franklin Jaikumar, Director Technical Operations of SECL, conducted extensive inspections of key projects, infrastructure facilities, and environmental initiatives on May 15th. NTPC has done the nation proud at the Global Management Challenge (GMC) India National Finals 2025. The competition was held in New Delhi on May 15th. It is the world's largest strategy and management competition where teams compete in a business simulation to get the best investment performance. Indian Oil Corporation Limited, IOCL, India's largest commercial oil and gas company, has informed the NSE and BSE Limited about the credit ratings assigned by ICRA Limited pursuant to Regulation 30 of the SEBI. ICRA ratings assigned to IOCL: bank facilities, long-term, AAA with stable outlook, bank facilities, short-term, A1+. Mecon Limited signed AMOA with MOIL Limited, the country's largest manganese ore producer, in alignment with MOIL's ambitious Vision 2030. This strategic partnership between two major central public sector enterprises, PSUs, reflects the government's push for enhanced collaboration among PSUs to achieve national development goals under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. The Damodar Valley Corporation, DVC, successfully organized a 2-day O&M Conference 2026 titled Powering Progress on May 14th and 15th, 2026 at Kolkata. The conference centered around the theme Integrating Green Initiatives and Thermal Excellence. CIL is actively exploring investment opportunities in critical minerals in Chile with special emphasis on lithium and copper. Shri Ashish Kumar, Director, Business Development, Coal India Limited, held high-level meetings with Chilean dignitaries on the sidelines of the annual Business Summit 2026 of the Confederation of Indian Industry in New Delhi. Power Grid has announced the promotion of 3 Chief General Managers to the position of Executive Director, ED, strengthening its senior management team. Jiten Das, Executive Director, CTUIL, Rajiv Gandhi, Executive Director, Engineering Survey, Sanjay Kumar Gupta, Executive Director, International Business. MECL has marked a major milestone with the flag-off ceremony of its newly inducted KDR 600 drill rig, rig number MEC 412, manufactured by Kores India Limited. The addition is expected to significantly enhance the organization's drilling capacity and support critical mineral exploration projects across India.